Welcome back to All Things Electronics, the place where we dive deep into every gadget that promises to make your life smarter, cleaner, and just a bit more futuristic. Today, we're exploring the world of robot vacuums, a tiny army of machines that can clean your floors while you binge your favorite series or sip your morning coffee. But here's the twist. Not all robot vacuums are created equal, and some might leave you questioning if all that hype is worth it. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know which ones are truly worth your hard-earned cash. Let's start at the foundation, floor type. The Xiaomi S20 Plus glides like a dream across hardwood, tile, and laminate, leaving a trail of spotless perfection behind. Its mop lifting feature means that when it detects carpet, it automatically raises the mop, protecting fibers from water damage, something many vacuums fail to do. On the other hand, the Mi Robot Vacuum Mop 2 Lite performs brilliantly on hard floors, but carpets can be its Achilles heel. If you've got thick rugs, you might see it struggling, hinting at the importance of matching a robot's strengths to your home. For homes with mixed flooring, you need a model that transitions seamlessly. Otherwise, you'll be watching your floors with a hint of skepticism every time it moves from wood to carpet. Next up, suction power. This is where some robots reveal their true muscle. The Xiaomi S20 Plus boasts an impressive 6,000 pascals of suction, enough to lift deep-set pet hair from carpets and tackle stubborn debris without breaking a sweat. Compare that to the Eufy X8 Hybrid, which offers balanced suction for everyday cleaning, strong enough for daily dirt and pet hair, but quiet enough to not disrupt your day. Suction isn't just a number. It's the difference between a floor that looks clean at first glance and one that's actually free of hidden dust and allergens. Navigation and mapping is another game changer. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus uses LiDAR technology to map every inch of your home, avoiding obstacles with uncanny precision. Imagine a tiny robot knowing where every table leg, chair, and cable is, adjusting its path intelligently. Entry-level models, like the Mi 2 Lite, rely on basic sensors and random patterns. They get the job done, but occasionally miss corners or retrace paths, leaving you wondering if you really got value for your money. And here's a cliffhanger. Navigation isn't just about cleaning efficiency. It affects battery life, mop performance, and even how smart the robot appears in your home. Speaking of battery life, this is where a robot can either impress or frustrate. Premium models like the Xiaomi S20 Plus run for over 170 minutes, enough to cover large homes without a recharge. Mid-range options might offer around 120 minutes, sufficient for apartments, but potentially frustrating for sprawling spaces. Some high-end models even recharge automatically and resume cleaning, so your floors get finished without you lifting a finger, a feature that can feel like pure magic once you experience it. Let's talk about dustbin and water tank capacity, because these can make or break convenience. A larger dustbin, like on the Eufy X8 Hybrid, means fewer trips to empty it, while a generous water tank ensures that mopping covers significant areas in one run. Premium models can adjust water flow, scrub floors thoroughly, and even lift the mop on carpets, offering a streak-free finish that feels downright futuristic. Without these features, your robot might be cleaning in fits and starts, requiring more attention than you bargained for. Some of the latest robots also offer self-cleaning and auto-emptying features. Imagine a vacuum that not only cleans, but also empties its own dustbin or washes its mop pad. It sounds like science fiction, but it's reality for models like the Eufy X10 Pro Omni. These features are especially valuable if you have pets or allergies, less hands-on maintenance, and more time enjoying your day. Noise level is another factor often overlooked. Premium models can clean quietly under 60 dB, letting you work, relax, or nap while the cleaning continues. Lower-end models can sound like a small engine, which might be fine when you're out of the house, but annoying during quiet moments. Modern robot vacuums are smarter than ever thanks to connectivity and smart features. Most come with an app, allowing you to schedule cleaning, set no-go zones, or even start the robot remotely. Some integrate with Alexa or Google Home, meaning you could say, "Alexa, start cleaning," and watch the robot spring to life. Firmware updates continuously improve performance, so your robot keeps learning over time, almost like it evolves alongside your lifestyle. Height and shape also deserve attention. Low-profile robots, around 7 to 9 centimeters tall, can slip under furniture, cleaning areas that are otherwise unreachable. D-shaped designs hug walls and corners, while round models excel at open floor spaces. Choosing the right shape ensures no area is neglected, especially in homes with lots of furniture. Maintenance and replacement parts are often the final, subtle factor. Even the best vacuum can become a headache if filters, brushes, or mop pads are difficult to replace. Check for local availability and ease of replacement to avoid frustrating downtime. Finally, budget always dictates priorities. Entry-level models are affordable but may lack features like smart mapping, strong suction, or mopping. Mid-range options strike a balance between performance and cost, while premium models pack every feature imaginable. Powerful suction, vacuum plus mop combos, self-emptying dustbins, long battery life, and smart navigation. Knowing your priorities, pet hair, carpets, large home coverage, or minimal maintenance, helps you pick a model that truly fits your lifestyle. So, which robot vacuum should you choose? If you crave effortless cleaning and maximum convenience, premium models like the Xiaomi S20 Plus or Eufy X10 Pro Omni are the way to go. If your home is smaller and your budget tighter, the Mi Robot Vacuum Mop 2 Lite or Eufy X8 Hybrid still offer great value without compromising basic functionality. One thing is clear, robot vacuums aren't just gadgets. They're little autonomous helpers that redefine what clean really means. Thanks for watching All Things Electronics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because next time, we'll reveal another gadget that might just change your life. And trust me, you won't want to miss it.